Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. Today we will learn about Capture the Flag, also called CTF in cybersecurity. A CTF is like a digital scavenger hunt. The main goal is to find a hidden piece of text called a flag. A flag might look like CTF, curly brace, you found me curly brace. There are two main CTF styles. First, Jeopardy style. You solve challenges from a list for points. Second, attack defense style. You protect your server and steal flags from others. Common challenge categories include cryptography, web exploitation, forensics, and reverse engineering. People do CTF for learning, problem solving, and career growth. It helps you think like a hacker so you can build better security. Here is a simple web example. A button says, "Click here for the flag," but it says only admins can see it. A player checks the website cookie and sees is admin equals false. They change it to true, refresh, and the flag appears. That is a quick and intuitive overview of Capture the Flag. Keep practicing, and you will build real cybersecurity skills.